Hey everyone, welcome. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to wish so many people that mean so much to us a very, very special and a very happy Veterans Day. For those of you who don't know, I always had a dream of going in and wanting to be in the Marine Corps. And I never had that opportunity because growing up as a kid, I always had knee problems and my weight problems that so many of my friends and family and everybody that knows me knows about. And not that it was an excuse, it was just a dream that never came true for me. And that's the reason why this is actually one of my favorite holidays because I so believe in the thanks that our veterans deserve for what they put on the line, for what their entire family puts on the line to keep this country that we love so much safe for all of us. It allows me to go to bed at night knowing that tomorrow morning I should wake up safe because they're out on the front line taking care of us. And that's to all the active military, to all of our veterans that have served over all of the years, whether it's guys that have just gotten out of the service recently, to Desert Storm vets, to Vietnam vets, to World War II vets, Korea, all of the different military installations across the world, and no matter where you served, the sacrifices you made to serve and the sacrifices that your family made for you to serve to protect this country. I personally wanted to say thank you, and everyone here at the Dean Kings has a personal thank you for everyone. There are so many that are so dear to our hearts, and it's one of the things that I'm so honored and humbled to be able to do within what I do for Dean King, and that's be able to teach vets and help them build a new career and better their life by getting them into the automotive reconditioning industry. No matter what part of it is, whether it's paintless dent repair or bumper repair or any aspect of it, just being able to get into this industry that I love so much and I'm so passionate about, it is my honor to be able to help each and every one better themselves and to help them move forward in their life. You know, there's guys that I've met and women. Please don't think when I say guys, I mean just gentlemen. There's so many vets that I've met over the years that are my personal friends prior to me even getting into teaching. The Some of which aren't even with us anymore. The Don Ashworths, and forgive me, I'm sorry. The Mike Greenwoods of the world, those that are still with us that are so dear to my heart. Lucky Loomis, for one, and BJ Evans. These guys have meant the world to me in my life. And then some of the incredible veterans that I have had the true honor and pleasure of meeting since we do the veteran training here at Dean King. The Stu Reynolds, the James Averys, and I have a list, so forgive me, I'm going to look down here at this list, and this is just a drop in the bucket, so if I don't mention your name, please forgive me. But Cher and I threw a list together very quickly of a bunch of guys that we know and automatically pop into our head real quick, and that's Zachary Williams and Mike Zurich and Anthony Burnett, Daniel Walsh, Eric Mancha, Tommy Vu, John Fiore, Salvador Alcaraz, Chris Townsend, Eduardo Class, Miguel Ortiz, Marco Rodriguez, Justin Teeter. Justin was just here up until a few weeks ago. Destry Musgrove, Lance Russell, Craig Fawkes, Jason Bankus, Justin Smith, John King, Gabe Dumore, Val and Imelda Parker, AZ Ahmed, Brian Safright, Carlos Quiroz, and Nick Treadwell. In addition to our own two veterans that work for Dean King, Chase Clark, we love you, brother, and Mel Craig, we love you too, Mel. Thank you for everything each and every one of y'all have ever done. And there's one more shout out that I want to give. And I know this guy gets a lot of publicity, and I've never had the pleasure of meeting this gentleman, even though I've kind of followed what he has done for many years. Staff Sergeant Tim Chambers. And if you don't know who that is, he's the saluting Marine from Rolling Thunder in Washington, D.C. The dedication that this man puts forward to honor each and every veteran and active military person out there, standing there all that time at perfect attention. He's just an inspiration. And let me say it this way, in case you get the opportunity to see this, Staff Sergeant, you are such an inspiration to so many people around the world that I don't even think you realize. So thank you, sir, for what you do and what you have done. It's an incredible feat. I know it's not appropriate for non-military to salute, and I won't, even though my heart is saluting each and every one of y'all right now. I hope this finds you well. God bless America, and thank you again.